All right, good morning. Brett Wagner, Product Manager for Kitchen Faucets at Kohler here at KBIS 2023. We're really excited to talk to you about the really wow feature here for us. It's the heart of the show, it's the star of the show, and it's something we're really proud of. The Purist Suspend is something that's never been done before. We talk about giving users the ability to use their kitchen for what they need to do. That means taking things off that counter space, giving them full utilization of it. So we thought to ourselves, let's get everything out of the way. We put the faucet up in the ceiling. So there's a digital valve that we utilize. There's a puck that activates the faucet. As I bring this down and push the button, there's a wireless connection between the digital valve in the ceiling and the wireless puck. We've got different flow controls that we can leverage on here, whether we're doing berry washing on gentle mode, whether we're filling a pasta pot on boost. If we need a hot temperature, we go clockwise. A cold temperature, we go counterclockwise. Spray patterns on here are very standard to our pull-down kitchen faucets. We've got debris management with our sweep spray and our standard aerated flow. But the unique feature of this is flexibility as well. So standard kitchen faucets are limited in range to that sink area. With this new Purist Suspend, you have the ability to pause that flow, rotate it out, and take it and fill on the countertop or on a nearby range, giving you a pot filler. So instead of filling that pot in your sink, having an ergonomic issue of lifting that pot out of your sink, you can now take that off your countertop or fill it right on the stove. When you're done with the faucet, the beauty is it doesn't need to be in the way. You can store it away as functional art, take that remote, put it underneath your deck, giving you true utilization of that countertop space. Another thing I want to point out to you is the beauty of the sink that we've paired it with. The Prolific is a new workstation sink. We talk about the biggest trends in the industry. It's really self-containment, keeping all of the things that you want that are unhygienic in your sink so you don't have to go clean the additional areas. So this Prolific is beautiful. It's got different tiers within it that comes with accessories like a cutting board. It's got a colander that rests here as well as drying rack. And the beauty is these are all stackable given the different ledges and the depth within the sink. So we can go all the way up to 60 inches. We got a 42 here, but it gives you that flexibility, keeping everything self-contained, but also having a faucet that pairs with it to give you the flexibility to go outside of that. So if you're interested, go to Kohler.com. This product is launched, it's available, and we're very excited to ship it to you.